name is Janvi Sachin Vajje. मी आज तुम्हाला एक धडा वाचून दाखवणार आहे. धड्याचे नाव आहे काईन कोंडिबा. Listen carefully and then read with me. Once the king was riding through a village, he saw Kondiba. Kondiba was digging a hole. Good morning, Kondiba. Good morning, O king. What are you doing? I am planting a tree. What tree is this? It's a mango tree. When will it bear fruit? After many years. Kondiba, you look so old. What use is this tree to you then? O king, I am not planting this tree for myself. I am planting it for others. After many years, other people will come every day. Will sit in the shade of this tree. Then we'll get the mangoes. Kondiba, you are such a kind man. You have taught me a lesson.